What's good, YouTube? Man, we back at it again with another reaction video. Hey, this time we got a long one. People versus nature. You know this gonna be some funny stuff, bro. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. Welcome to the Blur family. And if you're new, my name is Charlie or Blur, whatever you want to call me. I ain't finna talk too much. Let's get straight to the reaction video, man.
Here we go.
La manta de agua que está entrando
Oh,
ahora mismo.
no.
Increíble, increíble, increíble.
What the? Ain't no way, bro. That's crazy. What the fuck? Oh, I know that's cold.
You see it inside it? Oh my gosh, look.
Do y'all see how that? Wow. He fell on the ground.
Sério?
That's something you don't see every day for real. It tore that head up. Oh! That's one thing I'm working on the boat.
Give it Valley 3-4.
Damn.
You reckon you can,
Blowing everything our way.
Including the roof.
That's crazy. That's scary, bro. That's like the most scariest thing.
Angry.
Bro, I'd be so scared.
Carmen, quick.
Oh my god, bro, it's up. Oh.
Oh, yes! Thing is huge.
Damn.
Yeah, she's gonna get us.
That's a sandstorm, bro. What in the world? That's crazy.
It's moving. Oh my god. Of course, mine. Okay. Oh dear.
Bro, you got hit with a mean hand, bro. But hope y'all been enjoying these reaction videos. I'm gonna do some NBA reaction videos again. I just been copyrighted from the previous ones. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna record it and I'm gonna just talk throughout the whole clip. So, you know, make sure y'all comment because I don't want to feel like I'm just talking to myself when I'm doing the video. And let's get back into it.
Oh, God! Oh, God! Oh, oh, that's not nice, that one. That's right into the post.
Hala, nangusog na siya, oh. So, grabe. Nangusog siya. Hop! Oh! What?
Bro, that's IQ. Using all your resources. Oh, that's like a... What the... Damn!
Oh my god! Sean! Sean, no! You broke the window. Look at him go! He's so pretty! Sonny! Sonny! Sonny just swallowed the turtle!
He don't know what he just did. That's crazy. There's always people trying to go against the wind. Damn. It's raining here and it's just a rainbow.
Oh, actually not.
Yeah, I guess I'm getting a new one. So what in the hell?
Dynamo!
What they got, rat? That didn't happen to me. That happened to me right there before.
Ooh.
Dang, he should just die in the water. Bro, what the fuck? Like, them winds have to be super duper strong. That's how it is for me right now.
Wow. That looks like it's coming here, Joe. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, like it was coming this way.
Yeah, we got some coming down.
Damn. Even the dog didn't know what was going on.
Come here. Come here, bear.
But we got a fucking bear.
Come here, bear.
Oh, I could tell that was going to end well.
Getting rude.
Imagine the contractor telling us, man. Bro, what the? Look at that bear.
How's the conditions today?
Can't hear you.
How are the conditions today?
Oh, they're really good. I'm about to go get some waves.
Oh my! Did you see that?
That's crazy. He already knew what time it was when he was standing there. But that is just so weird to really see. Like, are you? I just got hit with another ad. Sheesh. Alright, now we back. That's crazy.
I don't know what you guys have going on, but this is my house. And oh my God.
That's crazy. Boy, that actually right out the ground. Them Florida thunderstorms are different.
Bye, 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 bye.
Spaghetti Center. Bro, that shit look crazy.
Oh. Oh my god, everything's really flying around. Woo!
That's crazy to see that and be up that close. If it's ever like that and you driving, you ain't going nowhere, buddy.
That is nuts.
was
Oh, these
that?
people better get
Look
moving.
at the falling out of the sky. That's what that is.
There's no
I was
boys
like,
on the boat.
Look at it, honey. The branches freaking from the thing is pulling them up in the air. We might have to go.
Yeah.
I saw big trees falling.
Look at that water spout.
Pra fora, bicho burro. Que susto! Ele quer entrar de qualquer jeito.
I had to find a Komodo dragon. That's the first time me seeing the fish trying to get deadly. That's crazy. That's unique to me. That's for real. That's to my face. He gotta get that load off.
Come on, Jim.
That's scary, bro. That's a scary sight. But that's $200 for a cup of going down the road.
You cannot get off the train. Look at this. Oh my God.
Hey!
Coming around, coming around.
I bet gonna pop up on his
Okay, Baptist, just get the pedal.
I see that.
Gently.
I don't like alligators, so that's a no-go for me.
This is my garage. Front door, as you can see.
going in for the kill, homeboy. There he comes. I'm gonna run his ass over. There you go, I'm gonna check that bed. That's crazy. You imagine I'm doing a video that my whole roof just lift off. That's crazy.
Look at the shark, bro. Look at the shark. Look at the shark coming in. Look at the shark. Look at the shark. He's on you, dude. He's on you, dude. He's on you. Oh, man. Look at. Oh, my gosh. Oh! Holy smokes, dude. Did you see that?
They got turkeys crossing in front of them.
Water, Whitchurch, / Rory Griffiths, / water. Flat out, Massey. Oh, I get wet here.
Yeah.
But hey, man, that's it for today's video, man. That was a long one. Hey, that definitely had me jumping, bro. Don't mind me, bro. I'm over here locked in the video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, man. Love y'all. Peace.